私日本大好きで、本当に嬉しいんですけど、いつも時間が足りなくて。
Following a huge defeat in his continuing legal battle with ex-wife Amber Heard and the British newspaper The Sun, Johnny Depp followers have regrouped on social media in an attempt to exact retribution. Meanwhile, Amber Heard Johnny's followers are upset because he has been sly on Instagram. Is this, however, implying that Johnny will be unable to prove his innocence? In April 2018, The Sun published the now famous editorial written by tabloid executive editor Dan Wootton with the headline Gone Potty. In his column, Wootton slammed J.K. Rowling's decision to keep Johnny in the picture.
You ever punch Johnny Depp with a closed fist in the history of your relationship with Johnny?
Answer it however you feel you wish to.
Accusing the author of being blinded by his friendship with the actor. In this regard, Rowling is the embodiment of Hollywood hypocrisy. She feels she is thrilled by a deep celebrity, since the movie industry's basic character provides total recovery. According to Wootton, Rowling implicitly condoned the conduct by including Johnny in the film, and if a male CEO makes the same mistake, she will openly blow on social media.
One time, Johnny was hitting me, and he was hitting me hard and repeatedly, and I was screaming. Security walks in and they don't do anything about it.
Wootton also stated that there was solid evidence of Johnny Depp's connection with Amber Heard, his ex-girlfriend, and that Amber proved any problems by offering to donate his divorce money to charity. However, before Johnny revealed proof that Amber had never followed through on her commitment, and that instead of the $7 million she had committed, just $100,000 was donated to a children's hospital in Los Angeles. Wootton's article also featured statements from two claimed Harvey Weinstein victims, as well as Johnny, who purposefully named Weinstein's victims in an effort to end his career.
And he makes this motion when Jerry Judge yells "boss" or Sean, I can't remember who it was.
The World's Wife was removed the next day from the web column, but the harm had already been done. On June 1st, Johnny filed a libel suit against journals in the Sun News Group, alleging that the article had injured his reputation as an artist and professional, as well as caused him significant grief and shame, according to his paperwork. On December 18, just when you thought things couldn't get any hotter, the Washington Post published an op-ed by Amber Heard, saying that Amber became a national face representing domestic violence and felt the full force of our culture's anger toward those who spoke out.
At any time, have you ever hit Johnny Depp?
Johnny decided to file a fresh defamation claim as a result of this. This time, Johnny claimed that Amber's story in the Washington Post was related to his $50 million legal fight with his ex-wife, which led in the Pirates of the Caribbean franchise's firing him. Johnny also informed the court of fresh evidence, notably that Amber was the one who was physically abusive. In two audio recordings, Amber admits to being struck by Johnny. During the London preliminary hearing in February 2020, however, Johnny was given a blow when lawyer Adam Wolanski, who represented his son in the libel action, revealed damaging text exchanges between Johnny and actor Paul Bettany. In one of the texts, Depp is claimed to have remarked, "Let's light a fire under Amber."
All we had was a little bit of separation, and my sister runs down the stairs. We're on a landing in between two flights of stairs.
Miss Heard, I must interrupt you because I've asked you a yes or no question.
Withdraw your question then, because
Let's drown her before we burn her. Following that, I'll examine her corpse to ensure she's dead. In May 2020, Johnny had a significant number of witnesses ready to testify. The court granted former partners of Johnny Depp, Vanessa Paradis, and Winona Ryder permission to testify. Winona claimed in her evidence that Johnny is the subject of false charges, despite the fact that the actor was never violent toward any of Johnny's past companions. Ryder stated, "I don't want to call anyone a liar, but based on my experience with Johnny, it's impossible to believe such heinous allegations are true, although Vanessa and Winona's statements helped solidify public support for Johnny. The next month, Sun's legal team won another fight, proving that Depp had failed to hand over text messages from him in 2015. The artist has voluntarily refuted messages, indicating that he is searching for MDM and other drugs, according to the Sun's counsel. Johnny and Amber went on trial at the Royal Courts of London on July 7, 2020, and it was announced that Johnny had lost his dissatisfaction after 16 days. The actor's claim was denied because the Sun's editor had proven the significant correctness of the piece, in which the actor was referred to as a wife, according to the judge. According to the judging magistrate, Depp assaulted his ex-wife at least 14 times, the most recent of which occurred on May 21, 2016, when Johnny was supposed to arrive at his and Amber's law apartment. But Amber was in the house with friends, and Amber claimed Johnny became enraged, struck her in the eye, and hit her phone. Johnny, on the other hand, rejected the claims, claiming that his two security guards entered the room after hearing Amber shouting repeatedly in the kitchen to prevent shooting Johnny. On the front of Amber's apartment, Johnny appeared to have no apparent wounds or bruises from the police officers that arrived after the event. Unfortunately, Johnny has been suffering as a result of his inability to persuade the court of his innocence. The most convincing evidence is Amber Heard's father's candid admission that the entire case was put together first when her solicitors warned her she had to or would be homeless for the next 30 days, pushing Amber Heard even farther. She said she phoned the LAPD to report Johnny's attacks, but when she arrived at the station, the officer came out and stated that she had no records of the incident. Amber Heard was one of those people that stuck to her guns and is now just stalling. People all across the world will notice Amber's attempts to achieve everything. As a result, she'll adopt the character of survivor and attempt to make the best of the situation. People will feel sympathy and compassion for you if they believe you are a true survivor in a situation like this, and they will go out of their way to make you feel better every day. Amber Heard is a lady who might have been associated to Johnny Depp if she could have improved her career, but it's more likely that the opposite will happen. People will be furious and unhappy that she continues to lie and didn't make her mistakes on purpose. Amber Heard is fully responsible for any penalties or punishments she has received as a result of this incident. That's all for today. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any amazing video from us.